Katie, can I confirm that you have the list?
I've got a list, yes.
Excellent. Sure, excellent. That's absolutely excellent. Simon and Becca, can I ask you to look away so we can show the audience? Oh, very good, very good.
Oh, yes.
Okie dokie. The
Yeah.
audience. I do like the fact that Simon is using a shark to cover his eyes. I think everyone's had enough time. Thank you. You can rest assured that there probably won't be a shark in this round. So good luck with that. And also rest assured, I will be as harsh on you.
Okay.
So, Becca and Simon, are you ready?
Yeah.
Katie, are you ready?
Yeah.
Then we are not a cat. You have 45 seconds starting now.
Hey.
Okay. Pass.
Ooh.
Whoa.
Correct.
Hoo, hoo, hoo.
Ow.
Correct.
Hyena.
Horse.
Okay, pass.
Bobby. Dino. Womble.
Womble? No, I'm afraid not.
Use a mime if you have to.
Alien. An alien. Jellyfish.
And that's time up. You were so close. Oh.
Oh.
I have to say, Katie, that was a valiant effort on the final one. It wasn't Mr. Blobby. No, it wasn't Mr. Blobby. No, so we can go from the start. Katie, can we hear your impression of the first one again? It was a warthog.
Oh.
Yes.
Sorry.
Sorry.
You went from pig to I have no idea.
I've got no idea.
Go to the mine. Keep the reference.
Producer Dave, shut it. You got wolf, you got owl. You didn't get giraffe, which I have to say was pretty difficult.
Sorry.
I'm not
And the
very
final
tall, so I can't hear giraffes when they're chatting. You see, so I've never heard one.
Absolutely fair. Yeah, it's a tough one. You know, it was randomised categories. So, and the final one was octopus. You were getting there in the end.
Yes, much harder list.
Well, tough. But you that's 6 points and absolutely no deductions.
Yes.
Well done.
Yes. We are not a cat. Yes. Yes.
We will crack back on to Team Sneezing Pandas. Currently, handily in the lead with 12 points to 6. And we're going to...
Well done, the other team.
Well done, the other team. It's true. We're grateful.
handling yourself with such dignity.
I have no idea how I would have done octopus, so I'm very impressed at the
I
effort.
thought that was a good one.
I mean, that arguably could have been any undersea creature.
Exactly. But you just go through the list, don't you? I think she was on a winner. They just needed more time.
Is there a definitive list of undersea creatures?
Quite a few, actually.
Squid, jellyfish, Nemo, octopus. Okay,